PediaSure with Ms Manjari Chandra introduces Grow Right, Immuno Right.
We're making a unique recipe today. It's called the Quinoa Coconut Parfait. We require some cooked quinoa. You could also use some cooked brown rice. Besides that, you'll require some coconut milk, cornstarch, and around 2 tablespoons of PediaSure vanilla powder. Besides that, we'll also be needing some apricot puree. You can use PediaSure not only to enhance the taste of food but also to enhance the nutritional value of food. We first warm the coconut milk and add PediaSure and the cornstarch to it. We've already prepared the coconut milk with the cornstarch and PediaSure and we've allowed it to cool. Yes, Chef?
Yeah.
Quinoa Parfait has 3 layers. The first layer is quinoa. Quinoa, as you all know, is a whole grain. It is rich in protein and soluble fiber. Besides that, quinoa is also rich in many micronutrients, making it a great food for immunity for your children. We've already thickened the coconut milk and kept it ready. You add the coconut milk on the quinoa to make the second layer. The third layer of the parfait is the apricot puree. Of course, as we discussed earlier, besides the apricot puree, you could also make the parfait with strawberry puree or mango puree if you do not have apricot puree at home.